Hi, welcome to another session on Product Showcase. I am Reynal Dsouza from Oxford Systems Integration. For over 45 years, Biamp has been providing innovative solutions for great communications. So today I am here to showcase Parle VBC 2500. And now let's see what's in the box. So it's a nice packing. We have here scan this QR code for installation instructions and scan this QR code for administration setup. You can see this. You have a well-packed all-in-one video bar. It has an amazing look. We have here a USB-C cable, some mounting kit, screws, and there's a wall bracket. There's also a power adapter, and apart from this there is a mounting option for the display mount as well, which is not included, it's an option. So here we have the Parle VBC 2500. So the look and feel is amazing. It's an all-in-one USB camera. And coming to the point about the camera first. It is a 4K camera with 120-degree angle view. It can be controlled electronically through software. And it also has 5x zoom. And it has a privacy shutter and the LED lights so that you know the camera is on. And then coming to the audio part, it has amazing speakers. We have tested it. The feel is of like an home theater feel. So this bar comes with 27 microphone capsules. It has a DSP inbuilt, which has AEC and AGC. So this bar has two 20-watt speakers with amazing sound quality. So coming to the connectivity, we have only two connectivities here. One is the USB-C type connectivity and the 12-volt DC for power. And one of the main function is the Biamp Launch function. The Biamp Launch is used to optimize the installation and to tune the conferencing system. And also this button can be used to reset the system. So here's the demo for Biamp Launch feature.
Welcome to Biamp Launch. Press the launch button again to proceed.
So pressing again.
We will now start the launch process. Please remain quiet. Applying speaker tuning and adjusting level. Launch will now apply the optimized speaker tunings. Verifying the next speaker tuning. Obtaining a room reverb measurement. Measuring the room's speech intelligibility. Launch will now optimize the microphone performance in your room. Setting microphone noise reduction. Biamp Launch is now complete and the system is ready to use.
contact Oxford System Integration for demos. Please like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.